Let's learn how you can prevent iPhone from turning off and on. So it doesn't matter which iPhone you have because tutorial is same for every iOS device. So let us start without any delay. First you will have to open settings application. Now you will have to find display and brightness option. So you will have to scroll a bit down here and click on this. Now once you find here display brightness, scroll down and there you will find auto lock option. Click here, and to prevent iPhone from turning off, just click on never, and once this blue check mark is moved to never, your iPhone will never turn off if you don't turn off yourself. And how to prevent turning it on? It may be because you have a raise to wake option enabled. So you'll just have to turn this off, and if you don't tap it or open it yourself, it will not turn on. What else you should know is if you have, for example, a low power mode on, your auto lock will be set on default to 30 seconds. So first you will have to turn off low power mode, and then go to auto lock and set it to never so it doesn't turn off by itself.